Hi everyone, I'm Zara. Welcome back to my channel Techno Zara. Today I have a big project to review, as you all know about it. Yeah, it's OKX and it has come with some updates, some changes. So we will check out all its properties, all its features. I will show you. Before I start the review, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so you can easily approach my next upcoming videos. Now we are on the interface. You can see here up on the top, you can check out it. It's all features here, we can check out it. OKX is the new OKX. They are remaining crypto with their commitment to the advancement of DeFi and Web3. Join the world's leading cryptocurrency exchange. Second largest crypto exchange, OKX rebrands as cross-platform services provider and has updated 18 January 2022. In 2021, total trading volume on the platform, including spot and derivatives instrument, grew over 700%, while the number of trades executed on the platform increased over 480%. The company name change from OKX to OKEX to OKX reflects the platform's growing number of wealth creation opportunities beyond the exchanges, which investors use to trade hundreds of digital assets on spots, margins, and derivatives markets. OKX aims to enable access to decentralized assets and tools and give investors the option of self-custody of their digital assets. OKX, which lists over 250 digital assets and has long held the top rank of cryptocurrency futures trading volumes, recently became the second largest cryptocurrency spot trading platform in the world. In 2021, total trading volume on the platform, including spot and derivatives instrument, grew over 700%, while the number of trades executed on the platform increased over 480%. Staking, saving, and DeFi offering via OKX Earn saw over 5.1 billion deposited by users and paid out over 314 billion in passive income in the past year. So you can imagine its success, and now we will check out its features. And you can see here we can change the language. Here we have the options, and here you can change the local currency. Here on the top we have the exchange MetaX, and we have the buy crypto. We will see how to buy crypto and the markets detail and the trade. Here you can see the convert option, quick conversion, no fee, no spread, basic trading, spot and simple option, margin trading, margin, perpetual swap, futures and options. And next one is finance, where you can earn, loan, jumpstart, dot slot, auction. And here we have more option where you can check out their products, pool, bridge, OKB, security of funds, OEC, status, and the others, learn, reward, referrals, affiliates, broker, and Blockstream Ventures. All you can easily check out. From here you can log in, or first of all you have to sign up, and here you can see exchange, MetaX, and sport. Download their OX app. Better future game on. Discover crypto built on top of the world's most powerful exchange. And you can put here your email or phone and get started. Next one we have, you can see popular assets and their prices and their today changes, the chart, the trade, all the details are available here. You can check out the assets detail, all available here. You can see here the currency's name, BTC as Bitcoin, today's is last price, and how it changes. Today's changes, it's decreasing minus 1.27%, and the trade if you can buy or sell, then you will click here. ETH, OKB, OKT, LTC, DOT and ADA, and further we have view more popular cryptocurrency. You can click here. Your one-stop cryptocurrency platform. Discover, explore the world of DeFi, DApps, NFTs and GameFi. Explore DeFi, buy crypto, convert over 30 local currencies into BTC, ETH, USDT or other currencies in minutes using your credit card or other payment method, and trade crypto on the world's most powerful exchange with tools for beginners, advanced traders and institutions. Grow, earn high yield, access new tokens early, join our mining pool or use your crypto assets for taking out a low interest loan. Grow your crypto. And if you want to learn, keep up with crypto and hone your skills with tutorials, market analysis and research. Learn about cryptocurrency and blockchain, and here are some tutorials, you can check out it. New users can earn up to $30 in crypto rewards. Buy $100 or more in crypto on your first order and you will get up to $10 in free BTC as a reward. Here we have the trade on the go. Trade on the go, a powerful Bitcoin and cryptocurrency exchange in your pocket. Buy, sell and trade crypto on the go. View real-time cryptocurrency price. Buy and sell BTC, ETH, XRP, OKB and other digital assets with easy. Get live price change alerts for cryptocurrencies you follow. Check BTC spot, futures and option prices. Compare cryptocurrency prices across exchanges. You can get it on Google Play or download the App Store. Here we have the announcement. OKX will list Gary Networks, Gary token for spot trading, and further is OKX will list Astra Networks, Astra token for spot trading. OKX Jumpstart Gary token sale details, announcement on suspending classic accounts trading service. OKX DeFi Hub rebrands to MetaX, and here we have the about details and their carriers, their press room, their legal and privacy services and sports, and here we have the community and their links. Telegram, we have the Medium, Twitter, Facebook, Discord. You can easily contact with them and you can easily ask any question, any confusion, you can easily ask the questions and contact to the community, contact to the team. Here we have the terms of services, privacy policy, disclosure and whistleblower notice, law enforcement and V5 API, historical market data, fee schedule, token listing, sports center, channel verification, announcement. So all these, whatever you want to check out, you can easily see here. Now we check out the MetaX exchange. Here you can see it's MetaX, explore and manage decentralized finance. Here you can see that you have to connect the wallet at address, install extension or download app. Powerful dashboard. View all your assets under different DeFi protocols and blockchain in one place. Supported blockchain Ethereum, OEC, BSC, supported protocols Uniswap, Maker, Compound, Aave and SushiSwap. NFT marketplace, crypto right for your creation, extensive intellectual property coverage, unique and diversible and multifaceted ecosystem. Convenient farming tool, wallet in your browser, you can easily install it. Wallet in your smartphone. If you want, you can download it. Join the decentralized universe. So you can connect the wallet here. Here is the dashboard. We check out this. Connect your wallet or MetaMask and MetaX and Wallet Connect. Now we check out buy crypto, that how you can buy crypto. Looking to buy cryptocurrency, here's how. Select the fiat currency you want to purchase with the cryptocurrency from the drop down menu under the buy tab. Then enter the amount to fiat currency you want to spend or the amount of cryptocurrency you want to buy. Here you can see claim $10 for reward, and here you will pay that which currency you want to pay, and you can select here from, and then you receive in USDT from here. If you change the currency, you can change here, and you will buy USDT and buy MasterCard or Visa and bank transfer, advance, ADV cash, wallet, Apple Pay or SEPA. Choose your preferred payment method, and once the payment is confirmed, your purchased cryptocurrency will automatically be transferred to your OKX account. Here we are on the market interface. You can see here the prices, spot, futures, and the perpetual swap option, OKX index, trading data, and the other things you can check out. Here you have the currencies and their prices, their changes, and market cap values, or the trade, or you want to convert. So here is the market interface, and if you want to trade, you can choose here whether you want to convert or basic trading or margin trading. If you select any of the currency, here you can see, as I select the Bitcoin price, here is the price and its graph. Here you can see its graph, and here if I want to buy or sell, here you can choose the option and then buy now. If you check out the trading data, so you can easily click here and you can check out the data on which the trading is. Here we have trading details, and here we have the OKX index, all the currencies details you can check here. So we have checked out all the details, all the features, and it's very easy to operate. And I want to tell you about something about OKX, that it's founded in 2017. OKX is a world leading cryptocurrency exchange and ecosystem. OKX has innovatively adopted blockchain technology to reshape the financial ecosystem and offer some of the most diverse and sophisticated products, solutions, and trading tools on the market. Trusted by more than 20 million people in 180 regions across the globe, OKX mission is to remove barriers to wealth creation by offering us access to everything the decentralized future holds. With its unwavering commitment in innovation, OKX envisions a world of financial inclusion for all through the power of crypto and decentralized finance. So guys, here is the all detail about the OKX. Hope you like it, hope you like to invest it, and you want to be the participate in this project, in this exchange. You want to work with it. Hope you like the video. Till then, my next video. Please take care. Bye.